Hi, I'm Chef Jake with GA Foods, and we are passionate about creating nutritious and delicious meals for our members. And in this quick presentation, I'm going to show you some simple ways to heat and plate our beautiful meals. So here we are with Miss Susan, our newest member. Welcome.
Nice to meet you, Chef.
It's a pleasure meeting you. And she's just received her first 7-day total meal box that was delivered by our delivery care agent. Would you like to open it up and see what's inside? Well, here you are, Susan. This is everything. 7 days worth of food out of this one box.
That's a lot of food.
It is a lot of food, and we've taken great care into making them not only delicious, but nutritious to meet all your nutritional needs here. I would love to heat and show you some plating techniques on the beef picadillo sauce. So here's the frozen meal that was delivered to you. Immediately, you want to store it in the freezer to keep it frozen. When you're ready to eat it, you can pull it out and do a quick little inspection to make sure there's no punctures or cracks in the container and that the clear film is completely sealed on the top. The beauty of it is the heating instructions are right on the label. You can use your oven or your microwave to reheat this meal. You don't have to puncture the film. You can either heat in the oven or in the microwave. In this case, we'll use the microwave on high heat for 5 minutes and then take a look at it. Here it is. It doesn't appear to be hot all the way through. It's warm but not hot. I give it a little shake and still make sure that there's no punctures in the film, and let's put it back in for a few more minutes. I think it's ready.
Smells good.
Smells good. It feels nice and hot. Let's do a few basic tips on how to plate the food. First, be careful when you're opening this vent here. There's going to be some steam that releases. Just pull away from you so you don't burn your hand.
So to do it right, am I going to put the meat on first or the veggies?
Great question. Let me show you. I like to use a slotted spoon for the vegetables. So if there's any excess liquid over here, that'll drain through. And I like the vegetables at 10 o'clock here. And look, already we've got much nicer looking, colorful food on this plate with these bright colors and eating out of this black tray, wouldn't you say?
I agree.
Yeah, so next the peas, and you can play around with this, have fun with it. It doesn't have to be this way every time, but I'm just trying to put them next to each other, create some different shapes and patterns here. And every meal that you received in your 7-day meal box is going to be a little bit different. The vegetables are different, the meats, the sides are all different, and so you can really have fun with this. Plating is everything. People eat first with their eyes in presentation. All right, I like to give the sauce a little bit of a stir just to make sure that heat distributes evenly. And we'll place this meat right over top of there. What do you think about that? We can tighten it up if you like a little bit. And then I use a solid spoon here for the sauce. This is the good stuff right here. Olives and raisins and tomatoes right over top. Are you getting hungry yet? Mm-hmm. Try to get all that sauce out of there. Try to get all the vegetables, all the sauce, everything right out of there so you can enjoy it all. Again, we made this to be very nutritious for you, so everything that's in here is built around nutrition so that you're getting all the nutrients that you need, the delicious flavors, and now look at how appetizing. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please contact your GA Foods rep. We love hearing from you. And in the meantime, I'm Chef Jake. Bon appetit.